Hello YouTube and YouTube viewers, it is Cody Williams, and today I'm going to show you guys a 360 parrot. You need a 360, a 260, and some scrap for his eyes. And that's it for simple version. There's a little more complicated way of doing it too, but we'll see. So blow up your 360, giving it about a 6-finger tail, or maybe 5, what is that? About a 5 or 6-finger tail. Leave some room in there. Nice big fat juicy knot. Blow up your 260, doesn't matter, halfway. You're pretty much going to do a marriage twist and break the rest of it off. So now tie these two together. Now what you're going to do is you're going to squeeze some of the air out of the, for me, goldenrod. You can use any other color you like. Gray, black, yellow, goldenrod look best for beaks. Squeeze your out, kind of squeezing upward. Get it to be kind of with a slack there, like that. Now you're basically doing a tulip twist. And you guys know how to do that, I hope. Now you're going to twist it on this side of that knot you're holding on to. I think I've done more in depth how to do that in a previous tutorial. So it's called a marriage twist because now they're bonded for life. A divorce twist is a needle. And polygamy twists are only allowed in Utah. So now you're going to do a 2-finger bubble. And you're going to just bring it back and connect while curving it. So I guess in reality it's like a 7 or 8-finger bubble. Not even that. I don't know. 4 or 5 or I don't know. It's like over double the length because you want it to curve like a beak. This, just give it. Now tie this off. You should lock it through the middle like so. His beak. Now just do a little ear twist right here. And you're going to do a bird body. So make it about 7 fingers. There we go. Now from here, you can variate a little bit. For now, let's make his eyes using your scrap. You're not going to need much. Just 2 1-inch bubbles. Lock them. Tie them. Like so. From here, you're just going to wrap those above the beak. These are the eyes of the parrot. Now you could either just do dog legs and you're finished. Oh my goodness. You could do dog legs and just be done like that. And your parrot's completed. Or if you want to get a little cooler, loop twist it instead. And get another goldenrod or any color used for the beak. I make an ear twist out of this. Actually, you know what? It'd look nicer if you twisted this instead. So when you do that loop twist, give it a ear twist in it instead. So pretend your ear twist, then loop twisted. Be a little better. Attach this balloon, like so. Come in about 4 fingers, do an ear twist, do a small loop twist. Then make a small bubble, followed by another loop twist, wrong name, followed by another ear twist, which is then followed by another loop twist. From there, you can attach back to the beginning again. I like to break it off first, and tie it. These are on me for later. Then you're going to want to make a perch because these legs are cool for that. And for the perch, you guess you just kind of put it in the middle. You can have a lot of variations. It could be a hat. This to be done as is. I mean, either way. Here's the parrot. That was only a 5-minute video. Yes. You guys have a great day today. Better tomorrow. Have fun. I'll see y'all later.